Good morning everyone. Today is 25th January. 25th January is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India was established on 25th January 1950 with the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. It operates under Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. It consists of 3 members, a Chief Election Commissioner and 2 other commissioners. They are appointed by the President of India for 6-year terms. Election Commission is constitutional authority. According to Constitution of India, a citizen who is at least 18 years old on the qualifying date is eligible to vote. National Voters' Day is celebrated every year with a different theme. A National Voters' Day celebrated across the country to mark the foundation day of Election Commission of India, the autonomous constitutional authority responsible for conducting elections. The Manmohan Singh government initiated this in 2011. A meeting of the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh approved the law minister proposal to this effect. In order to encourage more young voters to take part in the political process, Government of India has decided to celebrate 25th January every year as a National Voters' Day. The Election Commission of India will observe the 11th National Voters' Day on 25th January 2021, centered on the theme of making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe, and informed. The event focused on ECI's commitment towards conducting elections safely during the COVID-19 pandemic. Will be held at New Delhi's Ashok Hotel, and President Ramnath Kovind, the chief guest, will grace the occasion virtually from Rashtrapati Bhavan. The day has observed on 25th January as a National Voters' Day. President Ramnath Kovind will confer the National Award for the year 2020-21. The National Award for the Best Electoral Practices will be conferred on state and district level officers for their outstanding performance in the conduct of election in different spheres. This year we celebrate 11th National Voters' Day. Thank you.